Mastering the Art of Advice, Customer Service Edition. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the realm of customer service. More specifically, we're looking at how we give and ask for advice in this setting. This is a crucial skill, not just for those working in customer service, but also for everyday situations where you might need to offer help or request it. Let's get started. First, let's remember that modal verbs are often used when giving or asking for advice. Words like should, could, might, and ought to are very common. For instance, if a customer asks for advice about a product, you might say, "You should try our new product, it has excellent reviews," or, "You might want to consider our premium version." In customer service, the way we give advice is extremely important. We need to be polite and tactful. Using modal verbs like could or might can make your advice sound less direct and more considerate. For instance, instead of saying, "You need to pay online," you can say, "You might want to consider paying online. It's a lot quicker." Just as giving advice is crucial, so is asking for it in customer service situations. You might need to ask your supervisor or coworker for advice. In such cases, phrases like, "What should I do in this situation?" or "How could I handle this better?" can be very useful. Now, let's look at some practical examples of how to give and ask for advice in customer service. 1. Could I suggest you try resetting your password? 2. You should reach out to our technical team for more assistance. 3. What should I tell customers who are asking for a refund? 4. I could use some advice on how to handle angry customers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these structures until they feel natural. And that's it for today's lesson on giving and asking for advice in customer service. We hope you found this useful and you're now more confident about using modal verbs to give and ask for advice. As always, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Keep on learning, and see you in our next video.